Creating effective YouTube ads campaign in 2023. There are only 4 key elements that you should be aware of. Let's get right into it. The first key element is the outcome or the objective of the ad itself. Is it to generate leads? Is it to generate sales? Is it to generate traffic? Is it to generate like brand awareness? What is it? In my case, for my clients, it's either going to be leads, it's either going to be sales, or sometimes we go for no goals. And we'll talk about that later. And once you have that down, you need to select what campaign type are you going to use. Are you going to use search ads? Are you going to use performance ads? Are you going to use display? Are you going to use shopping ads? Are you going to use videos? In this case, in my case, for my clients, it's going to be videos 99% of the times as the front-end campaign. But for the retargeting ad campaigns, we would use display ads and search-based ads to get more traffic, to more conversions from the leads itself. Once you have that down, the second key element is the customer itself. If you are just starting out, I would not recommend you to start with YouTube for the reason that it's going to be really expensive for you to test different hooks. And typical budget, if you are starting out, I would suggest you to go with $30 to $50 per day. And $50 is like if you know exactly what you're doing, and if you're just starting out with different ads, go with $30 a day. But yeah, if you're just starting out and who do not have any existing clientele, definitely stick on to organic or Facebook ads or Instagram ads or TikTok ads. Again, those are the platforms that you can definitely rely on, but definitely not start with YouTube ads. And it's also really crucial for you to understand what are the problems that they are exactly going through right now, and what are the problems that you are going to solve of all the problems that they are going through. And the third key element is the ad itself. And the ad has only 2 parts, the script and the video, and the visuals, I mean. The script doesn't have to be very complicated as well. It can follow a simple framework like hook, value add, and call to action. The same framework that I've been following for this video. Hook, how to create an effective YouTube ads campaign in 2023. Value, which I'm doing right now, and the call to action, schedule a call with me if you are really qualified. So yeah, that's it. It doesn't have to be very complicated. And coming to the visuals, start using stock videos, stock footage, stock sounds whenever you can, whenever you should, so that you can get your audience attention. Nowadays, it's like less than 6 seconds to get your audience attention. So use as much of the visuals to capture your audience attention. Again, you do not have to do it by yourself. There are different resources like Envato Elements, and there are other places like Upworks, Fiverr, where you can spend like $100 to $150 to get 3 to 4 variations of the ad itself. I'll put all the links in the below description. And the fourth element is the targeting or the audience itself, who you are showing the ads to. You can show your ads to people who are in a specific demographic, for example, in United States, in India, in California, and Canada, or any specific region or a location or a country. Yes, you can do that. And once you have that down, do you want to go with that alone and add additional filters where you want to target people who are searching for a specific keyword in YouTube or a specific keyword in Google? Or do you want to target people who YouTube already segmented them and put them in a buckets, and that is called an in-market audience? Do you want to go with that? Again, you can use different combinations and target different ways. But yeah, you need to understand who are your audience and who you want to show with the campaign that you're going to launch. So yeah, that's it. These are the 4 key elements for you to start an effective YouTube ads campaign in 2023. The outcome, the objective, or which is what is the end goal of the campaign itself, and the customer itself. And the third one is the ad itself, which has 2 elements, script, visuals. That's it, nothing complicated. And the fourth element is the targeting of the audience itself. So that's it. If you need help with creating this campaign, go to grandslamads.com, which is my agency where we'll work with 6-figure coaches and consultants to do YouTube ad stuff for them. So yeah, nothing complicated. By the way, if what you saw helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel and show your support. I'll be more than happy to accept your support. See you in the next video.